we're gonna do. What's up, lifers? How y'all like that? That's what I'm gonna start calling y'all. Everybody watches me, they're lifers, because this is Big John's life. Alright, what we got going on here today? I'm finna show you how I think you make beaver tail oil. This will be the first time I've ever done it. We're gonna see how it'll turn out. Alright, I'll be right back at you here in a second. Alright, what we finna do, take all them beavers we caught last year, or this year, cube her tail up, put it in there. I'm gonna put some airlocks in that, like aquarium filter stones. I'm gonna drill holes, silicone them in the top, seal it up, set it out in the sun, let it render until about September probably. Take the oil that comes off the top of it and you can use it as a cow lure. I've bought it before, I've never made it before, but I bought it before and it's one of my favorite cow lures. Might have to sharpen our knife. I don't know. But I'm just gonna cut it up. Y'all can see, let me see. Y'all see right there, that's just pure fat. That's all that is. And it'll render out to a real dark oil. I may have to find a better way to cut it. Cut them bones. Oh yeah. Chop it up fine. Throw it in a jar. I ain't gonna bore y'all with all that. When I get it all jarred up, I'll come back, show you how I put the lock in it, how I seal the jar, and then I'm just gonna set it out in the sun and let it work in this Texas heat. Alright, we're finna drill 2 holes in this lid. What we're gonna do is stick these air stones in these holes. I may have to punch them out a little bit bigger. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit of silicone around the ends of these things. This ain't really the silicone I wanted, but this is what the dollar store had. This, yeah, I'm gonna have a mess. All I'm doing right here is trying to keep the flies from getting in it. When I've got plenty of these lids, I may change this out in a day or two. That's to vent it where it don't build up a bunch of pressure and to keep the flies out. Build up too much pressure in a busted jar and then you have a mess everywhere. I'm acting like I've done this before, but I really haven't. Thank you, YouTube. I've seen other people do similar stuff. These jars don't seal up good. They're old pickle jars. Alright, we're going to go away from here. I'll close it out here in just a minute. Alright, we wrap tape around it, keep them from getting in right here. Got them silicone in real good. We're going to let them sit here today and cure up in the shade. Tomorrow I have it sitting out in the sun, they'll sit out there till it's made. If y'all remind me, I'll show y'all little clips here and there of it making. All you're doing is rendering all the fat out using the sun and the greenhouse effect from the glass heating up. Well, that's a big word from a redneck. Alright, YouTube, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Lifers, as I said earlier, that's what I'm going to start calling y'all. I hope y'all like that. Alright, I appreciate everybody that watches, subscribes, shares, does all that. I'm trying to grow the channel. If y'all like this kind of stuff, let me know. I don't do much. I'm making my own bait. I just couldn't see throwing the beaver tails away. And I like using that beaver tail oil for coyote trapping. Alright, y'all. You know the rest. Like, share, subscribe, and we're gone.